Get the camera off this ugly guy. Over here. Thanks for joining us at WeCast. If you haven't seen them yet, my new BB series from Halo Rods, it's out, it's available. We got a whole lineup. We've got 3 frogging rods. We've been crushing them on that. That was kind of like the beginning of all this. 7-foot, medium heavy, 7.2 heavy. That's kind of like the go-to. And then a 7.9 extra heavy to really winch them fish out of it. But then we added to it my 3 rods. We got a jerkbait rod. That's my baby. I mean, everybody knows, if you know me, I jerkbait fish, and we spent a lot of time developing every one of them to be able to have the right action for a specific technique. Also have a jig rod and then a scoping rod, spinner rod, doing the minnow thing. All these rods are specific to the bait you want to throw and have the parabolic bend that you need to actually land these fish. So if you haven't seen them yet, the BB series from Halo Rods, go check them out.